Hello, my name is Park Seung-woo and I introduce about the Earth and space. First, did you know how the space and the Earth are born? The space and Earth, I introduce about how the space and Earth are born because it was my favorite. Because I like the space more, and I want to introduce about the solar system and the space. The first one is about the Earth, and the second one is about the solar system, and the third one is how the space are made. First, I introduce about the Earth. Did you know how the Earth is born? Why the Earth is shaped like a ball? Why the Earth is didn't shape like a square or flat? Many scientists say it have a reason about the Earth is born. In the past, there very big cloud of gas in the space, so the Earth is made up of this dust of gas. The dust of gas are clump about Earth's gravity, and it was made up of the gravity. It was clump and it made up of more gravity. So the gravity get hotter, and it was made up of planetesimal about the Earth. The Earth may collect all the dust of gas. It was made up of a red hot ball like a Mars. So it was called your Earth. The Earth is very hot at that time, but the Earth can be cool, and the larva are made up of stone or rock. So it was made up of you called the Earth. It was a blue planet. Yes, but inside of the Earth it didn't cool down, so they are very hotter than outside of the Earth. It was very hotter, so you can't go inside of them. We live in the Earth is very. We have to live in the Earth is very good things, because the other planets didn't have any airs or waters, but the Earth have water, not ice or the others, and there are no airs at the Mars or Jupiter. So we live in the Earth at the blue. So Earth called blue stars, and we could live in the Earth. The second one is solar system. When I introduce about the Earth, there are many big dust of gas are in the space. The solar system are made up of this dust of gas. The solar are made of collect the dust of gas, and it will get hotter because hotter. So it was made up of sun. The sun is made up of hydrogen and helium, so it can get burner, and it can be more hotter. And the other planets are made up of this dust of gas. It was same as made up of the Earth, but it didn't have any gravity, so it had more gravity, so it can be made up of more bigger than the Earth. The third one is how the space is born. The Bible first word is that God made the all creature and space. There are very small. The God made up of the space. God didn't made up only space. The God made very many stars and planets. The God was made up of some stars are more bigger and some stars are more smaller. The stars didn't have at the same colors. The red and orange star is big and hot. The yellow and white stars are hotter than the orange and red stars. And what about the blue stars? Blue stars are more hotter, the hottest star in the many stars. So big stars are already. The big stars can be a blue stars. Yeah, thank you for listening. I
have a question.
Yes.
If the Earth shaped like a square,
no.
So what happened?
When the Earth are made of square, when we walking at the straight about the Earth, we can be fall down because.
But we have a gravity.
Yes, so it was just fall down and go to the space. Not them, because it was when the Earth can be square, but because Earth is square when we can't live because when we go to the straight there we can look at the end of the path, so we can go up to the
keep going. We can keep going.
We can't keep going because there are not round. It was flat at above the Earth. Yes. So we can live hard. We live harder.
And then the stars have different colors. What about planets?
Planets didn't have any colors, but because
I saw that the Earth picture, the Earth is green and blue and white.
Because the stars color is made up of many dust of gas. So the star's color is same as the flame's color for the stars, but there are no flame at the planet, is it? So planet's color is just gas, the color of the gas. That was made up of the dust of gas or clump and made of clump, and it made more gravity, so it can't be burned.
But I know that Jupiter has a blue one, right? Blue.
Yes.
Blue color, and Mars has the red color, right?
Yeah. No? Jupiter have a
brown color. Jupiter has brown color.
Yeah.
What about blue one?
Blue one is Neptune and Uranus.
And then why does the planet have different color?
Because the gas is different. When the Uranus and Neptune are made of blue gases, but the Saturn and Jupiter made of brown gases.
Oh, does the gas has color?
But Mars, Earth, and Mercury, Venus, like this is then. So they are made up of rock. So it could have a rock color.
Okay.
The Earth have the tree or the wind and ocean, so it can be many colors. Only Earth.
Then what's your favorite one? The color and the planet.
I like Uranus color because it was very blue and it's very beautiful.
If you can live just a planet, what kind of planet do you want to live?
not the Earth. I want to live at the Mars.
Why?
Because the Mars is as same as the Earth. At some part.
So what is the same with the Earth?
First, there are cloud of dust and gases. So it was the temperature or same as the Earth.
Really? That's so interesting. Okay.
So yes. So the humans want to go to the Mars because the Earth can be sick.
Yes, I think so. So we have to protect the Earth, right?
Yeah, that's it.
So how can we protect the Earth?
First, we can trash. We can throw the garbage trash at the trash can. Yeah.
Yes.
Didn't you have a question? More question?
No.
Okay. So I end my presentation. Thank you for listening.